if I was buying by names, I would buy this twice. 2 names that knock it out of the park for me. Out imaginary authors, every storm a serenade. One of the reasons I like doing these videos where I do the first spray and the second spray is that these often aren't my first impressions. I've worn this before. This is my second time wearing it. My first impression of it, for whatever reason, it just didn't speak to me. And now that I'm wearing it again, I'm more into it. I'm appreciating the scents more. Maybe it was just the oil sitting a little longer. Perfumes evolve. That's why I think it's important to do these slightly longer videos where I give you guys the different scent profiles versus just the first impressions. I'll do some first impressions, but I really like these ones because I feel like it really gets to the heart of the scent and gives you a better idea. Anyone can read the ingredient list or the scent profile or the scent pyramid, but that's not going to tell you what it smells like on skin. And that's why we do the skin guys. So this one is interesting because it has Eucalyptus Absolute. And eucalyptus is an unusual scent, at least for me, in perfumes. It's got this edgy greenness to it, very sharp. Very, very sharp. And the eucalyptus sits with sea mist. And if I didn't know from reading the notes that sea mist was in there, I probably wouldn't have said sea mist. I would definitely think of it as a green scent, not a white scent, but it's got a lot of freshness in it. Now, if you guys haven't guessed from the top notes, this is a very interesting composition of notes as a whole. So moving into the heart notes, we've got Danish spruce, which is a very woody smell. We've got calone, which is a synthetic smell, and it is a very fresh, watery smell with subtle, super subtle hints of watermelon and cucumber, very soft, sort of clean, fruity, and vegetable scents. And then heather, which is like a honeyed lavender almost. So in the base notes, we've got woody, we've got clean, and then we've got honeyed floral. And we're sort of pulling from all over the place here, but it comes together, and I almost feel like the clean is taking over the green now, and it's becoming a very aquatic, clean scent with green hints in there. The heather, i.e. honeyed lavender, is subtle just on the outsides of it, adding a little body to the cleanness. And the green is almost like if I was painting a picture, it'd be like a white picture with green streaks up and down it. And then the heather would be, I don't know, a purple or a yellow, sort of a square around the picture. And that's what I sort of feel like this scent is like. So the base notes are vetiver, which is adding more greenness to it, which is nice. It's a little bit of a bitter greenness. And I think it's balancing out well with all the freshness from the upper layers. And ambergris, and this is a synthetic ambergris. Because it's synthetic, it doesn't have the strength of a natural ambergris, but it is more animal friendly, so that's always a solid thing. All in all, it's a very interesting scent profile and interesting composition. I like it more than the first time I smelled it. I would put this in my maybe box to buy. I think this is something that I would want to try a couple more times and really see if it evolves more and how I feel about it. Imaginary Authors has done a very good job of bringing them together in a single, cohesive, solid perfume. Like, subscribe, follow. Let's go on this adventure of finding cool, different, fun scents together. Have an amazing day.